case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case that cast a spotlight on school safety, the Nebraska Supreme Court ruled in the year 2000 that Ogallala Public School District and a teacher, Willis Hastings, were indeed negligent after a student, Christopher Norman, suffered extensive burns during a welding class. The case, known as Norman x rel. Norman v. Ogallala Public School District underscored the crucial role that educational institutions play in ensuring their students remain safe while under their care. The incident that ignited the lawsuit unfolded during a welding class at Ogallala Public School. The school had allowed students to elect their own attire in lieu of setting a stringent dress code or providing safety gear such as leather aprons. This laissez-faire approach went awry one day when Christopher's cotton flannel shirt caught fire, resulting in second and third-degree burns that covered 10% of his body. Following this incident, the Norman family filed a negligence lawsuit against Ogallala Public School District and Willis Hastings. They also cited the Political Subdivisions Tort Claims Act in their argument. Despite the school's argument for immunity under the discretionary function exemption, the district court sided with the Norman family, awarding them damages amounting to $342,290.80. Not satisfied with the verdict, the school district and Hastings appealed the decision. Upon revisiting the facts, the court upheld the lower court's judgment, which found the school negligent for failing to enforce proper safety procedures and dress codes for students. Their lack of supervision and inadequate training about the necessity for protective clothing was cited as the direct cause behind Christopher's injuries. The court thus reaffirmed the district court's verdict and, with it, the $342,290.80 in damages that had been awarded to the Norman family. An interpretation of ANSI Z49.1-94, a welding safety standard, was also presented and admitted into evidence. Notably, expert testimony had also played a pivotal role in the court's decision, with professionals agreeing that the school had failed to meet necessary safety standards. Norman x rel. Norman v. Ogallala Public School District thus served as an alarming reminder to educational institutions of their duty to prevent injuries to students through the provision of reasonable care.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.